Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Discord error when you try to install it. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to your favorite browser. And then here we're gonna search for 7-zip. We're gonna need this program to extract the files. Just type in 7-zip. And then we're gonna go on this one. And then we're gonna go on first link, 7-zip. And then here, if you need 64-bit, we double 64. If you need 32, we double 32. Which bitrate on which bit your Windows is running, just go to this PC, right click on this PC, properties, and then here you will see your 64-bit operating system. So I'm gonna close. So after you know that it's 64, click on download on 64, and then when I click on this one, and we're gonna click to open it. Click on yes. We can close now our browser. Click on install. Click on close. And now once we have this with the Discord setup, we just right click on it and then 7-zip this one, and then extract to Discord setup / this one. Click on that one. I'm gonna wait this, and now we're gonna move this folder to this PC, then local disk C, and then we're gonna move this Discord setup here. After you've done that, click on Discord setup, and then here on Discord full NUPKG, this one, right click on it again on 7-zip option, and then we're gonna go to extract to Discord full / this one, and then on Discord this full, just double click on it, go to lib, and then net 45, and then on Discord right click on it and go to send to desktop create shortcut, this one. After that we can close this. Double click on Discord. So if you get this fatal JavaScript error occurred, just go to OK, then just go to start and type your run, and then run, click on run, and here we're gonna type app data like this, app data, click OK, then go to roaming, to Discord, and delete everything from here. Just delete everything and just close. And now you can delete this and then just go and run the setup again. And as you can see, the Discord is working. So if this still does not work after this fix with the setup, you have them to try and delete the Discord folder, the whole folder, and then try again to reinstall it. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe and like, and see you in next video. Bye.